Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to talk about the confirmed specification for the Poco F3 GT edition, and also the launch date for the Poco F3 GT has been revealed. And this phone will be a direct competition towards the OnePlus Nord 2, so stick till the very end of this video to know everything which you need to know about this smartphone. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. Now for those who don't know that the Poco F3 GT will be the rebranded edition for the Redmi K40 Gaming Enhanced Edition, or the GEE, and it will come with a 6.67 inch of an OLED display with a high refresh rate of 120Hz and a 480Hz of touch sampling rate, and you will also be able to see a HDR10 plus content support on this phone. On the camera side, on the front it will be having a punch hole selfie camera, and the processor will be the same as the OnePlus Nord 2 processor, which is the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 SoC, which will be paired up to 12GB of RAM and a 256GB of storage. Now what's interesting with this phone again is that about its charging speed, and it will be coming with a 67 watt of fast charging with a 5000 mAh battery. On the camera side, there will be a triple camera setup with a 64 megapixel as its primary sensor, and 8 megapixel of an ultra wide camera, and a 2 megapixel of a macro lens, which we all know which is not worth it while mentioning. The 16 megapixel for the selfie camera, and you will also get a 5G variant of this phone, and the fingerprint scanner will be a side mounted fingerprint scanner instead of an under display fingerprint sensor. Now let's talk about its launch date, when it's launching in India, and it's launching right next to the OnePlus Nord 2, right next to day later to the OnePlus Nord 2 on 23rd July at 12 PM. You can also live stream that. Well, about the pricing of this phone, then the phone will come near to the 30,000 rupees price mark and will compete directly against the likes of the OnePlus Nord 2 5G phone. So what do you think about this smartphone, and is it too late to launch this phone, or is it the best time to launch the Poco F3 GT edition? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.